this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Amazon Prime not working on your smart television. So whether you're unable to play movies or the app's just not working in general, I'm going to show you a few ways to go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is power cycle your television. Now, to do this, make sure your TV is completely turned off. You then need to come over to the main power supply, and we're just going to unplug the TV from the wall socket like so. You'll then need to leave this unplugged for around about 60 seconds. At the same time of this being unplugged, you also need to head over to the physical television and you need to hold down the power button on the TV itself. This is going to drain any residual power left in the unit. Now, my power button's located underneath the LG logo here, but you may also find this on the left or the right hand side of your TV. So just go and hold this button down for around about 30 seconds. You can then go and release this button, and then you can go and plug your TV back into the wall socket. You could then try turning it on, and you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, you may need to go and reinstall the Amazon Prime app. Now, how you do this will differ slightly depending on your model of television. So typically what you're going to need to do is head over to your TV home screen, and you should have an option somewhere here called apps. So for me, if I scroll across on this right hand navigation, I can go and open up the apps from here. You'll then need to go and find all of your installed apps. So if I click on these three vertical dots in the top right hand side, I can then click on Manage Apps, and from this page, I'll see all of the installed apps on my TV. Now, all I'm going to do is come down to Amazon Prime, click on the trash icon next to this app, and then go and select yes in order to delete it. Once it's been deleted, you can just head back over to the apps page. You could then use the search box to go and search for Prime, and then you can simply reinstall it to your television, and that should have solved the issue where Amazon Prime's not working.